series of atmospheric rivers began. Imagine that, getting a half a year's worth of rain in 16 days. So incredible numbers there. 478 reports of heavy rain or flooding just in this region in the past 48 hours. Chris?
I feel like we're saying every single day, Jackie, more to come in the West. And with it, more of the same challenges, more of the same dangers that we have already seen and that is still expected. So much of the Bay Area and the Central Valley into the foothills, flood watches posted for the next few days here. Big area of low pressure here. You can see this big tap of moisture coming right into the West Coast, and you kind of fall all the way down to Hawaii. And then there's another big one out there, and that's all heading west, maybe a little bit to the north, but generally speaking, heading to the west. So you can really see, remember, areas of low pressure spin counterclockwise, really see that. But embedded within that, you've got these other disturbances that can just add a little bit extra punch, can make the rainfall that's already expected just a little bit more intense. So that's what we're seeing here. It is a series of storms out in the vast Pacific Ocean with more on the way. More heavy rain, more mountain snow, and there's plenty of moisture available to provide all of that here. So another round this weekend as well. Area of low pressure is going to drop down. At times, some of these storms are going to have some pretty strong winds. So on top of the rain, the possible flooding, the mudslides, the landslides, the rock slides, the debris flows, down trees and power lines still going to be possible at times. Here's another look at the rain from the central coast all the way up into western Washington. And this continues, lifts up a little bit to the north the next day or so, but parts of California still going to be seeing some wet weather. The southern part of the state will have a little bit more time to dry out, but that doesn't last very long. Into the weekend, here comes another one. And from San Diego to Seattle, areas of rain can be expected. Now this is Monday again. And when it looks like you might get a break, here it comes again. Coming from different directions, sometimes coming due west out of the south or coming down from the northwest, and more mountain snow. The Intermountain West expecting to pick up feet of snow. That's over the next few days right through Tuesday. So depending on snow levels, and make sure you check the conditions before you head out, could be dealing with winter travel.
Well, check it out. Dark clouds covering parts of California yesterday as thunderstorms rolled on through. We were live on Storm Center here when we warned you about this tornado, possibly. This storm did have a warning on it as it moved through Visalia last night. It did produce some small hail and some wind damage. Look at the lightning strikes. Just incredible. You know, California, not a stranger necessarily to tornadoes, but they are usually pretty few and far between. On average, you get one in the month of January, and for the year, on average, between 10 and 11. So we did have one confirmed tornado yesterday, an EF1 outside of Sacramento. That one was confirmed. This one, we just saw the rotation in the clouds. So that same storm system is moving really quickly, and right now,